I hope and I pray that as Filipinos, we can work together as one towards this. No? I think character has never been needed in our country than where we are today. No? I leave this a challenge para po sa ating lahat. Not whether life coach or ating pong PNP personnel. No? Tingnan nyo lang po ako as Filipino. Kulay. Okay ba? Pare-pareho. Sa kulay, sa stature. We are so divided by, islands, 7,000. Ethnicity, maybe few hundreds. Language, we have barriers. But I hope and I pray that we will stand united in the name of God. And in the name of our country. Pwede po? To help our country. Why? Because I believe we are in the same boat. If the boat will sink, we will sink together. But if we help one another to bring that boat somewhere, everybody has to keep paddling the boat. Pag isa lang ang nagpapaddle sa boat, iikot, di po ba? But if we together, life coach and PNP, let's paddle together, we will bring this country somewhere else.